Welcome to our video on the 5 Why Analysis, a powerful tool for problem solving. The 5 Why Analysis is a technique used to get to the root cause of a problem by asking why repeatedly. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Identify the problem. Start by pinpointing the issue you want to address. In our case, the machine stopped working. Step 2. Ask why. Once you've identified the problem, ask why. To find the first cause. Why did the machine stop working? It overheated. Why did it overheat? The cooling system failed. Step 3. Ask why. Again. Now dig deeper to uncover the cause of the first cause. Why did it overheat? The cooling system failed. Step 4. Continue the process. Keep asking why and tracing the causes until you reach the root cause. Why did the cooling system fail? Lack of regular maintenance. Step 5. Reach the root cause. When you can't ask why anymore, you've likely found the root cause. Why was there a lack of regular maintenance, poor scheduling, and oversight? And there you have it, the 5. Why analysis helps you uncover the underlying causes of a problem. This process can lead to effective solutions that address the root cause, preventing the problem from recurring. Thanks for watching, and happy problem solving!